Hey everyone, I'm almost ashamed to admit this. I am working on unfinished projects and kits that I have bought up and never put together. I want to say maybe a year ago, I went to one of the Dafi Auctions, which is the Disabled Artists Foundation Incorporated, and I bought one of the Gene Peter kits that had the, remember when the movies used to come in the boxes? Well, Gene Peter had put together some amazing kits from those boxes and put paper in it. And I used everything from her kit to make this, except for this picture, and this, and this, and this. Okay, I put a few things in here, but only for the cover. And it says, relax, we are all crazy. It's not a competition. And I want to say that so many times a day. I also made a covered domino with a little lady on it, if you can see her. And put her on the little ball pen. But what I decided I'm going to use it for is one of the welcome kits for the Dam Club was pinup girls. So I said, hey, I'm going to use this and make a journal, like a glue book, for pinup girls. So I got all my papers, and here's the little vintage, and it says Women in America, which I just like this piece of paper she had in there, so I used it for the inside. This and this I included, I put in. But the first page says negligees in boudoir gowns at moderate prices. So it's a vintage advertisement, but I'm going to put the lady down here. And then all of this is just papers that were in the kit. I mean, it makes a good sized book. So it was well worth it. So if you guys ever see Dafi selling these journal kits again, made with the old video boxes, grab them, because I certainly will be buying some more of them if they have them. Because they make great little journals. I mean, you can make any journal you want with this much paper, but I did decide, since I have another kit sitting here I need to use, that I'm going to do this for my pinup girl glue books, and I'll put backgrounds and all in here and decorate it, but I love it. And it has sat there all this time and looked at it and never even opened it. And I kept saying, one day I need to make those. And I never did. Well, one day came on our live Friday, the 4th of June, I think it was. And I said, you know what? Since Jean's going to be on the live, I'm going to make her journal that she sold in the Dafi auction. And I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. I did put the elastic bands in it to hold it in, because if later I decide I want to expand it to another larger book and keep going with pinup girls, I can mix these in with larger pages and won't have to rip them out. I can just pull them out of here and stick them in a larger journal. And I'm doing a lot of my personal journals now with the Midori style, so that if later I want to add them to a another journal, I can do so. And also I'm giving my regular customers who buy journals from me the option that they can have either sewn in or elastic banded in. And this paper was kind of messed up on the end, so, but I mean, for a glue book it's fine. For a junk journal it's fine in my opinion. But yeah, now I'm giving options, and 9 times out of 10 they're now saying, oh, that's a good idea, take it out and save the cover. So yeah, if y'all see these in a Dafi auction, buy them, because look at that. I've got 3 signatures in here out of one kit, and it was cheap. So yeah, this is going to be my pinup girl journal, and I'll probably do some on lives. I'll probably do some on videos, most likely on lives, because it's kind of hard for me to just sit here and do a glue book on a video. I've tried and tried and tried, and I get too quiet. Yeah, I know, that's hard to believe, but I do. Okay, guys, I haven't put a closure on it yet. I've got these little hooks in here, and I'm going to put some kind of a little closure through here, some kind of ribbon or something. But I didn't leave much space for expansion. That's the problem. Well, yeah, there's a lot of room for expansion now if you look at it, because it doesn't have to close all the way. Okay, buy one if you see them. They're great, and they're thick. This is a thick cardboard box that it came in. So I'll see you soon. I hope you guys will be watching for these into Dafi Auctions. Bye-bye.